What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm out here in south of France in Marseille. Have a look at this. Got a train cruising by here. And then, wow, absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm just about to enter into the Notre Dame church here. Have a look at this. Well, with coronavirus in here, a lot of people in here, so I'm gonna keep moving and have a look around the building and see what the church looks like. Here's a view for you right up here, but for me, I prefer this view. I'm out here in the middle of Marseille, in the heart of the city. Have a look at this place. So cool. But look it up here. When you're walking through here, it's pretty cool when you see everything like this. And you got all the buildings all the way around. But what's really cool is when you look up and you see all the people. That's something you don't see every day. Have a look at this street right here. There's the port right here. And you just walk the street. And nobody drives their cars, motorcycles. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's another one. Classic. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm in the heart of Marseille, in the city, right down by the port. Absolutely crazy what they do around here. So busy with all the people. Even with coronavirus going large, look at all these people around here. Unbelievable.